Welcome to our channel. Welcome to Istanbul. Today, we're taking you to one of Istanbul's most mystical and romantic landmarks, the Maiden's Tower, or Kız Kulesi in Turkish. This tower has witnessed centuries of history and legend. Join us as we delve into its fascinating past and explore the unique experiences it offers to visitors today. The Maiden's Tower's origins are as ancient as the city of Istanbul itself. The earliest recorded structure dates back to 408 BC, built by the Athenian general Alcibiades. This initial construction was a wooden tower used to control the movement of ships and collect tolls from passing vessels. During the Byzantine era, the tower was reconstructed in stone and played a crucial defensive role. One of the most enduring legends from this period is that of the emperor's daughter. A prophecy foretold her death by a venomous snake on her 18th birthday, so the emperor built the tower to protect her. Despite his efforts, a snake hidden in a basket of fruit brought to her on her birthday fulfilled the prophecy, and she died in the tower. This tragic tale gave rise to the name Maiden's Tower. The Ottomans further modified the tower, using it for various purposes including a lighthouse, a quarantine station during plague outbreaks, and a customs post. In 1719, the tower was severely damaged by an earthquake and was rebuilt by Sultan Mahmud II, who gave it its current appearance with the addition of the distinctive red roof. Your journey to the Maiden's Tower starts with a short and scenic boat ride from the shores of Üsküdar or Kabadas. The approach offers stunning views of the tower against the backdrop of Istanbul's skyline, making it a picturesque beginning to your visit. Upon arrival, you'll enter the tower's museum, which provides a detailed account of its storied past. The exhibits include historical artifacts, documents, and multimedia presentations. Interactive displays and detailed timelines bring the legends and history to life, allowing visitors to immerse themselves in the tower's rich narrative. Ascending to the top of the tower, you are rewarded with a 360-degree view of Istanbul. The observation deck offers a spectacular vantage point to see the Bosphorus Strait, the historic peninsula, and the modern cityscape. It's a prime spot for photography, capturing both the beauty of the tower and the city that surrounds it. The Maiden's Tower is not just about history and views, it also offers a delightful culinary experience. The tower's restaurant and cafe provide a serene setting to enjoy a meal or a drink. The menu features a blend of traditional Turkish dishes and international cuisine, catering to a variety of tastes. Whether you're stopping by for a quick coffee or settling in for a leisurely dinner, the ambience is unmatched, with the Bosphorus waters lapping gently against the tower island. For a truly unforgettable visit, time your trip to coincide with sunset. Watching the sun dip below the horizon, casting golden hues over Istanbul and the Bosphorus, is a magical experience. The tower also hosts special events such as concerts, exhibitions, and private gatherings, making it a unique venue for memorable occasions. In summary, the Maiden's Tower is more than just a historical monument, it's a living symbol of Istanbul's rich and varied past. From its ancient origins and legendary tales to its modern-day charm and amenities, it offers something for everyone. Whether you're a history enthusiast, a lover of myths and legends, or simply someone looking to enjoy breathtaking views and a delicious meal, the Maiden's Tower is a must-visit. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the notification bell for more fascinating tours and stories from around the Turkey. Thanks for watching, and see you next time.